Hello everyone. Today I have a product that is essential for everyone in life. Acrylic double-sided tape, and it also called traceless double-sided tape. Why is it called traceless double-sided tape? Is because no matter how long it sticks to anything, there will be no residual when you tear it off. Moreover, it has effects such as waterproof, shock absorption, heat resistance, and sound insulation. This type of tape have excellent toughness, is very soft, and can be used in all seasons. Therefore, its adhesion is extremely strong. The longer it sticks, the more firmly it adheres. It's suitable for surfaces that are not easy to stick, such as plastic, wood, paper, metals, and silicone. For those rusty surfaces, peeling surfaces, dusty surfaces, rough wooden boards, rough wall, and rubber surfaces, it is not applicable. We have a variety of specifications and colors to choose from, and all our products are sold out directly from the factory without any intermediary fees, which means more favorable prices. In the next episode, we will test how strong this double-sided tape really is. Thanks for watching.